What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be doing how to make a Find Waldo game. Okay, so now let me just make the sprites real quick. Okay, guys, so all you need to do is just get the right color, which is 68. Oh no, that's supposed to be the outlines. 68, then okay, let's see. So now this will be white. Let's see. It's not look. Yes, okay, now it looks like bread. This will be the guy we're gonna find. So let's give him red eyes. I'm sorry, let's give him a knife. Okay, guys, let me design the knife. Okay, guys, so now let's do the code. So first we're gonna go here and then let's show course and then set ghost effect to 0. And then what we're gonna do is go to a random position. Then after that, wait 0 seconds. And then we need to go to front layer. Go to front layer, go to front layer. And that's it. That's literally it for this guy. So now I'm gonna make the stage. This will take a little long. I forgot one thing. We're gonna need to set size to 50%. Wait, no, 10%. 10. Click. Look at that. Perfect. But actually, that's small. Too big. So 15 should be good. Yes, okay, nice. But I'm gonna go back to making the backdrop. So yeah. Alright, guys, so I made all of the backdrop. Oh, one is messed up. Wait a second. Let me just take this, copy, and then just paste it. And then just back. Okay, so now we're just gonna make the code of the other enemies. So first, all we need to do is duplicate this guy. Remove the knife. Actually, ungroup it. Remove this knife. Copy. Click on it. Oh, there you go. That's what you need to work with. Very small, like the very small. You need to work. So now here we're gonna push this to this as well. But here we're gonna do if then. Forever. If then touching. Oh wait, I forgot about the most important part real quick. Okay guys, so I made the magnifying glass already. All I need to do is put it up to 5. And then of course when click, follow, go to mouse pointer. Forever. Good guy. Forever if then touching mouse pointer and towards the end. And just make this a tiny bit smaller by making the costume just smaller, of course. Boom. Here you go, the small boy. The smallest thing you can find in history. Look, you're not pointing. So wait. Go to random position. Then the mouse pointer and the mouse down. First mouse down, mouse down, mouse down, mouse down, right in here. So then touching mouse pointer and mouse down, we are gonna change those effect by 10, repeat 10 times. And then hide. Then right after that, right after that, we're gonna set this. We're not gonna make this one click time. Let's call this. Let's get a new broadcast. Let's call it start. And then when click, broadcast starting. Hide but before that works. Yeah, I see. Wait, let me just. Okay, nice. Let's just change this bit. That it actually follows. Okay, let's this bad guy, and then I'm just gonna draw something. It's gonna be a screen that says like levels and stuff, you know. I'm just gonna draw it real quick. Okay guys, so I'm done doing that. So basically here we're just gonna do we're just gonna make a new variable, level. Let's do for all sprites. So change level by 1 and then broadcast killer dead. Okay, so now here we're gonna do what the screams when clicked. Hide, set ghost effect. Oh sorry, it's not a when clicked. This is gonna be a when I receive killer dead. So, and then we're gonna go to front layer and then set ghost effect to 0. We're also gonna do this here. So show, but except to show. Okay, and then change what is costume to level. Costume to level, and level right now is 0. Plus 1. Oh wait, never mind. We don't need the plus 1. We're just here to. We're gonna switch level and set level to 1 here. Okay, so now we're also gonna switch costume to levels here. So yeah. So And then we're just gonna do the repeat thing in both of these. Wait, let's just make a block called screen. There's a repeat block in here, so we're not gonna use run without screen refresh. Repeat 10. Set goes to set. Change goes to set 5. 10 and then. Then let's see our game right now. Oh, color effect. Sorry. Oh, wait, we need a wait block. Of course, we're gonna go to 0, 0. Now let's see the game we've cooked up. Okay, so when level 2 is here, we're gonna switch. We're gonna next backdrop. Okay, so now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do create clone of myself, repeats, or pick random 15 to 20 times, and then of course block time, clone. Fresh and here, and then when we click, we're gonna hide, and also just block, clone, and boom, let's see. Clone. And then when I start as clone, we're gonna clone. Oh, when I start this, sorry, this is gonna be here. It's very difficult. Okay, so first, what we're gonna do with this is set it to 10 first. And set this to 11. Bro, that's 22. Okay, so go to that. Oh. So what we're gonna do here is switch backdrop to down one. Okay guys, wait, let me make the backdrops real quick. Okay guys, so I drew the backdrops already, so this is the game as of right now. Look at this, it's so hard to find him. It's so hard to find him. Alright, wait, where is he? He's hidden. Oh, wait. Broadcast starting. Wait. When I receive starting. When I receive starting, delete this clone. So here we're gonna go to bad guy, and then 1 second. Then what we're gonna do is broadcast killer dead right after starting. Let's see, does it work? What? Oh wait, I'm just gonna do the same clip. Okay, and then also bread clip 15. Okay, now it works. Okay. So pick random. I'm gonna do this 30 to 60 times. Oh, very hard spot. Oh, that's only 60 to 120 times. This will work now. Okay, that's a lot of boys. Oh, he's hiding right behind him. Oh, I can see him right there. Well, let's make them smaller. Let's make them 3. This one as well, 3. Never mind, let's make them like 5 size. 5 size should be good because, yeah, it's good enough. Nice, there you go. So now this is very hard now for people. I barely saw that. Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for this video. But first we're just gonna name it Find the Bad Bread. And yeah, this all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.